In this video, I'll show you how to access data through the Oracle Mobile Cloud service in your app with ViziApps Studio. Data is managed per page in ViziApps Studio, so when you're on the page where you want to access data, click Manage Data. This will bring up the Data Property box for this page. In the first drop-down, choose the data source. If you don't have any set up for this page, the list will be empty. To set up a new data source, click on Create New Data Source. This brings up a drop-down menu that allows you to select the new data source type. As you can see, you can choose from Google Spreadsheets, QuickBase, SQL Database, Oracle Mobile Cloud, M2X, and ThingWorx. For this video, we'll focus on Oracle Mobile Cloud integration. Choosing Oracle Mobile Cloud will bring up this dialog box to register your data source with ViziApps. It sets all the authentication and calling parameters for calling the Cloud Service API. Here, you'll give this data source a unique ID. The rest of these values come from the parameters in the back end of your Oracle Mobile Cloud Service, or MCS. Upload the Swagger file that comes from the MCS API implementation and click Save to save all of the values into your account. Once that's done, and you've returned to the Manage Data window, add your newly registered data source to use on this page, keeping in mind that you can use multiple data sources on a page. When you choose your data source and the page or field to trigger calling the API, two things will appear. On the left, a storyboard view of the page, with the option to view all pages. On the right, the different parts of your Oracle Mobile Cloud API that you defined in your MCS account. On the right, first, choose the resource, method, and I/O type you want. Then, to bind data in your app fields to data in the MCS API, simply drag and drop a field from your app into the field you'd like to bind it to on the right. It's that simple. If you need to start the mapping over, click on Clear All. Once you're finished, click Save. Now, you're ready to see your data in action. You can test your app using the preview mode in the studio or on a mobile device. To test your app on a mobile device, click on Select for Device Test. Then, log into your account on the ViziApps mobile app. Here's how this app looks when accessing data from the MCS API. Find more helpful videos at ViziApps.com and on YouTube. Before you know it, you'll be creating apps like a pro with ViziApps.